In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an Elgato Stream Deck Plus to control Quick-Link Cre8. Now, first of all, you'll need to make sure that you have your Stream Deck connected via USB to your device, you have Cre8 open and running, and also that you've downloaded the Stream Deck application from the Elgato website. If you haven't done so already, you can find it on the downloads page of elgato.com. All you need to do is select your product, which in this case will be the Stream Deck Plus. Then just click download here to download the application. I already have the application downloaded, so I'm just going to pop over to it now. You'll also need to make sure that you have the Cre8 plugin downloaded for the Stream Deck application, which can be found in here. If you just click the plugins tab, then select Cre8. It's probably easiest just to type it in and search it like so, and then just install it if you haven't done so already from there. The last thing you'll need to check before we can start configuring your Stream Deck Plus is if you have more than one Stream Deck available, as I do here. I've got an XL and a Plus. Just make sure that you have the Plus selected. So the application should look a little like this. In fact, it should look very much like this. If you've done everything correctly, you can see that you have keys and dials available. So the Plus has these 4 dials on the front that you can configure to control your audio devices in Quick-Link Cre8. As well as that, you can apply some of the usual commands that you would expect to have on a Stream Deck in here, such as recording and streaming, like so. For the dials, all you need to do is drag over the audio mixer volume to any of your available slots, as you can see I'm doing here. And then once these are loaded in, all you need to do is select the source that you'd like to control. So I'm just going to select one of my microphones here. Then if I move the dial, you can see that the audio will go down and up, and I can set that to whatever level I like. I can also use the dial to mute and unmute that device by clicking it and unclicking it again. So what I can do is keep configuring this. I don't just have the one page available. I can add multiple pages if I wish. So I could put some different sorts of commands on these pages as well if I want to do that. Put some in here just for demonstration purposes here, so I can cycle through them. Now, once I'm configured and I'm ready to start operating Cre8, I can pop over to Cre8. Here we go. I have my project open and ready to go here. So if I show you the device itself, there we go. That is the Stream Deck Plus. You can see all the dials. You can see the middle screen there as well as the buttons at the top. So as I said, you can use these buttons, for example, to start recording, like so. You can see on the Cre8 application, that is now recording the program output of this project. And then I can use the dials to change the volume of the device that I have selected. You can see my AKG microphone is now going up and down there. And if I press that, it mutes. And then if I press it again, it is unmuted. Now, the other nice feature that you have on the Stream Deck Plus that you don't have on the other Stream Deck devices is that you can use this touch screen here to actually cycle through your pages. So if you do have multiple pages set up, you can just swipe that and you can go through your pages like so. So that is a very quick example of how to configure your Stream Deck Plus and use it to control Quick-Link Cre8. Thank you for watching. You can access other instruction videos on our YouTube channel or by navigating to support.quicklink.tv.